Raise your hand if you're feeling nervous. So what you're feeling right now is not nerve. It's excitement. You love acting and you're going to get a chance to act. Okay, so just change the channel. Let that shit go. Have fun. Okay, you're allowed to fail here, man. I don't give a fuck. I want you to fail. You dust yourself off, you get back up, and you try again, and you grow. Don't play it safe. Safe is boring. Once again, you're seeing the words on the page, and you don't know who the fuck you are, you don't know what your previous circumstances, you don't know anything, you're just saying the words. It's boring. Be bold. Take a bold, big, bold, strong choice.
Okay, this has gotten too out of hand. Way too out of hand.
I'm trying to explain to you that you cannot disrespect a person like this.
You know what? No, shut up. Shut up for a minute. This is exactly how it started, and we're not gonna go there again for Christ's fucking sake, alright?
I'm out every day, busting my ass, not screwing people around or bullshitting anyone. This shit right here, this is important to me. I'm not fucking around with this shit.
I really care about this.
And it should be important to you. And if it's not, if you just don't give a shit, then don't waste my fucking time!
You know what I liked about it was there was moments where it was like, you know, it's important to me. There was these, it wasn't like one note. It wasn't all over here. There was like nuance that you came down when you said it's important to me, and there was a real nice moment in that.
So the person I visualized, I have a long history, and they've hurt me deeply, but I also love them deeply. So it hurts to yell at them, but it also hurts to be hurt by them.
Well, I felt that. I like the subtleness. This is acting for film. Mm-hmm. Less. Keep it simple. Okay? You know, when you're on a big ass screen,
Yeah.
a huge ass theater, you gotta be careful. Like you said, my hands. Imagine that on a big fucking screen at the ArcLight.
Oh.
You know, it's just way too much. You know, you gotta be careful. You gotta be aware of that. That's why this is a great tool to really see it and then go, oh shit, I'm doing too much. Like I do this. I scrunch my forehead when I get, especially I get emotional, and that looks like shit on film, like on a big screen. Mm-hmm. So I literally gotta go, okay, relax your forehead, Billy, relax your forehead. But it's something that I do when I get emotional. I do this, you know. Some people lick their lips, somebody do that, you know, move around. So, you know, the more you watch, you'll learn to go, okay, I gotta get rid of this. And you're doing it now. You're doing acting for film, you know, very subtle stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, but this, you know, like once again, like Tom, there's a lot of beautiful, subtle, less is more acting for film. Now, if you just loaded it up with a little more of the pain underneath, the truth underneath, where it's, you know, I don't need all the, this is calm, but there's a fucking volcano ready to erupt inside. And even if it's like a little something in the corner of the eye, that's more powerful than the whole fucking waterworks, because it's like, oh my gosh, now we're leaning in, she's gonna cry. You know, you're leaning forward. So trust yourself. Yeah. Okay? Nice work.
Yeah, are me killing him?
Yeah, but you gotta know how, you gotta up the stakes in the scene. Yeah. You gotta ask yourself, what happened? What happens if I don't get out of this? What's at stake? It's gotta be life and death. You kill this guy, you go to jail, I don't know. But, you know, always look to up the stakes in the scene. Always. You gotta make it life and death. Your choices have to be that big. Why? Because it's so fucking competitive, man. There's thousands of people reading for this role, so it's your choices, you making big choices like Room, or bringing the emotion, or the high stakes, the danger of it, the vulnerability, the truth, you're bearing your soul. That's when an audience, a casting director will go, what the fuck was that? I felt that. Your job is to make me feel, right? So you gotta look at that piece of material and say, why did the writer write this piece of material? What am I supposed to make them feel? And then make them feel that. And the only way you do that is by loading it up with your soul, with your pain, with your anger, with your stuff. So your anger is coming from something real. You're not acting angry, it's coming from that truth. So you gotta load it up.
We're gonna have some fun tonight.
And there's also a lot of caffeine. So you're gonna be jumping up and down like a motherfucker.
My heart's racing. I'm so happy I met you.
Are
You park the car.
I park and I
So we
drive.
I park and drive.
Yeah. Let me get one of those vests. You got one of those vests? I can be like your valet today. Valet, yeah.
Big boss.
Yes.
I got a better idea.
What's up?
You can get the vest. You can be
Here,
valet.
give me the vest.
valet.
Give me the vest. Here's your vest. All right. Here's a vest. That's a weird vest. All right. I'll do it.
It's a little small vest.
Yeah.
This is a skirt.
Yeah.
It's a skirt. That's even better.
It's one of those high schools. All right.
I got another job for you, dog.
Huh?
Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. You a dancing machine. Jesus, man, I
Come
love
on.
it. I love it.
Hey. Well, you know, it's a good line. It looks good on me, but.
Why are you acting so sus? Jesus. Yo, fucking chill out. There's some cops coming. Sound straight? Yeah. Hey. What's up? Yeah, you don't need to talk to them.
It's Sally.
Sally?
Yeah. Listen, I really appreciate it if you could just like back away just a little bit. Look, I was just asking like a simple question. Like, I got.
Oh, these? These
Yeah.
muscles?
No. Listen, I gotta go to prom right now. I was just asking.
Really? Prom? You have
Yeah.
friends?
Yeah. Actually, I think you can like hook up with one of them because I think one of them is single. So.
She looks smart.
It was like, dude, I just want to do like, is it a hug or a high five? What do we do? Dude, let's do both.
It's like I play video games by myself. I watch TV by myself.
Right?
I do everything. Now I don't have to.
No.
It's like you're gonna be there all the time for me.
Well, I mean, I'm getting married, so I'm gonna go on a honeymoon real quick. But I mean, other than that, is that okay?
I mean, it's just
you should come.
I'm gonna come.
You should come.
I will. It's just gonna be the one day though, right? And then we're like,
No, it's a week.
I know,
it's a week.
but after that, it'll just be me and you, like after the wedding.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's not gonna just be you and me. Like I said, I'm getting married.